So today I'm going to be testing out a new piece of hardware. It is the Robust iPad Yoke Mount. It took me about 15 minutes to put together. It came in a lot of different pieces, and once I put all the pieces together, it turned into three main components. You have the yoke clamp, you have the neck piece, which I call it the neck piece, and then you have the actual mount, the iPad mount. The iPad mount, I've set it for medium tension. It seems to be spring activated, and you can adjust that if you can adjust it based on the height of these actual little L-shaped items right here. So I'm gonna put it together and use it for the first time and see how secure it is and how it holds the iPad, and then give you a little post-flight review. So let's start out by trying to see how this thing fits on the yoke. Now I'm putting this on a Piper Cherokee 140. It's a club aircraft. One of the things that I want to make sure here is that it does not interfere with any of the control surfaces, and it does not. Okay, put the neck on, and then the mount. It's a little tricky, but let me just hold it down and get this screw tightened a little bit so everything doesn't fall out. All right, so I have this set right here. That was actually much easier than I thought it would be. Cool. Seems pretty steady. Now let's go ahead and pop the iPad in here. Some little rubber footings on the inside of these little L mounts. I'll just call them that. Cool. It does not block any of the vital instruments. I might have to look around to see the fuses and some of the switches, but it seems to be pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and try this out. I have about a 1-hour flight today, and I'll let you know how it worked out.
Henderson traffic, Phantom ultralight 3 miles south of the field, straight in for 3-3.
Robust iPad yoke mount worked just as advertised. iPad never moved, the clip never moved. It is just as advertised. Worked really well, and one of the things that I'm happy about is that I feel like I got a bargain, since it's priced a lot less than some of the name brands, but it does the same thing. So I highly recommend.